Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It really helps out. And on today's episode, we're going to be jumping back into the interior on the Mustang, and we're going to be painting the sun visors, as well as reinstalling some hardware for them, and a rearview mirror, and some coat hanger hooks. So stick around if you'd like to see how we do it. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to pull out this old rusty hardware right here that mounts to the top of the ceiling in the car. And then we're also going to be pulling out this piece right here. Then we're going to get these painted up and get them looking a little bit better here. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got all of our hardware taken off of the sun visors, so we're going to go on ahead and hit these with a couple coats of paint and get them all looking nice. Alright you guys, so here is the sun visors that we just painted. They look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. So the next step in order to get these installed here, I picked up some new hardware for it. I picked up some sun visor brackets right here, so we'll go ahead and install those. As well as for the back of the headliner, I got these new coat hanger hooks. And then I also picked up a new rear view mirror bracket. We'll get that installed. As well as I also picked up a new rear view mirror itself. Now this one's a little bit bigger than my old one, but it does have a nighttime, I guess, mode on it. So yeah, I'm thinking about giving this a shot, seeing how I like it. If I don't like it, I think I'll just pull it off and put on the smaller one, but might as well go for this and see how it goes. Now another thing that I picked up is I picked up a whole complete interior screw kit. So I picked this up from CJ Pony Parts. That way I have all new hardware to install all this new stuff with right here. So let's get to it. Alright guys, now to install the brackets here for the sun visors, I believe you just slide them on in, and it's just a slide in fit right here. So that looks good to me right there. So we'll get that one installed here, and we'll do the next one. And then for the other side, this is the piece that mounts onto the rear view mirror bracket. Again, it just slides into the end of it right here. Now as for the length, I'm not sure if I need to push it in more. I'll kind of figure that out when I go to install it. Alright guys, so we're going to start with mounting our coat hanger hooks first. So this is just going to set right up in here like so, and then we got a screw right here that'll just go right through the front of this right here and through the back, and it'll anchor it right to there. Alright, so there is the first one. So we'll move on to the other side and do the next one. Alright you guys, so in order to get the rear view mirror installed, there's 3 existing holes, one right here, one right here, and one right here. So we're going to go ahead and take the bracket, fit it up here, put the screws in, tighten them down, and that should be it. Alright, there we go. So we got the rear view mirror bracket installed here, nice and sturdy. And now we'll get the sun visors. Alright you guys, so now in order to install the sun visors, here is our mounting point right here on the corner of the, right above the windshield. And we got 3 screws right here, and then the spring on the hinge goes right up through this middle hole right there. Alright guys, so we got it installed. It pivots over nicely, and it will clip up into the rear view mirror bracket right there. So I'd say we are good. So we are good on this one, and we'll jump over to the driver's side here now. Alright guys, so the last thing is going to be to install our rear view mirror right here. Pretty simple. If you look closely right here, there's like a half circle shape right here, and then on the back of the rear view mirror, it's got the same thing. It's a little half circle kind of dowel, I guess, that it just slides right into there. And then once it slides on in, and everything looks good, underneath you're going to have a little stud that you can put in with an Allen key, and that's what's going to hold the mirror into the rear view mirror bracket right there. So this is just going to come on up underneath here, and it's going to go in right up in that spot right there. Guys, so we got our mirror installed, we got everything all done in here. So that is gonna about do it. You know, overall I think the mirror doesn't look too bad in here. It's just a little bit bigger than my old one. Here's my old one for comparison right here. So it's not too much bigger, but it does give me a little better view, and I do have the option now to kind of angle it up at night, which I think is kind of cool. So all right guys, so I'm pretty happy with where we got done right here. We got the sun visors done and painted and installed with new hardware, as well as we got the new rearview mirror and the bracket in there and the coat hanger hooks. So really happy with how it's turning out right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below if you like it, if you like how it's turning out so far. But that'll be it for this video for this week right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out. And we'll see you on the next project. Thank you.